What is up, everybody? Crustless Crypto here, back in a video. It has been a while, about 2 to 3 weeks. I had to take some time off. I had some real life stuff going on, but it's good to be back here with you guys today. Make sure you guys check out my website, crustlesscrypto.com, as well as follow me on Twitter. I am doing a $100 giveaway in EGLD once I get to my 1,000 subscriber mark, guys. So please hit that subscribe button, like this video, support the channel. I'm so excited to talk to you guys today about some EGLD news. So let's get into it here. So before we get into anything specifically EGLD, I want to talk about the market a little bit. As we can see here, Bitcoin's actually up $56,000. The market is actually looking great. Everything is kind of green right now. A lot of pullbacks. I've been watching the markets these past couple of weeks, and I've been seeing the highs and lows. Shiba Inu is coming out of nowhere. Now it's at point quadruple 0.2872. It was up about 300% this week alone. So imagine, guys, buying Shiba Inu and then making 4 times your money. It's sitting at $11 billion market cap. From what I was looking into with this coin, somebody bought a whole bunch of super whale, bought millions of dollars worth of Shiba Inu. Whether it's inside trading going on, I'm not sure. I know Elon Musk talks a lot about Shiba Inu as well. So it's interesting to see how the price exploded. To me, I see it as another Dogecoin. Obviously, it had a huge correction after this, pump, and we'll see exactly where it's going to go. A lot of people are thinking that it's going to go higher, and that's something, if you would like to invest your money into coins like this, make sure you understand the risks and make sure the money that you are willing to put up, you're willing to lose. I'm not a financial advisor, and no one can give you financial advice unless otherwise stated so, right? So it's important to understand that. Now, me personally, I don't get into Shiba Inu, Dogecoins. I like coins that have technology that's backed by a solid team. For me, Shiba Inu, I feel like if you want to chase those highs, go for it. But it's not something I want to do. I want to just buy and hold. I don't want to do day trading or anything like that. So it's important that you pick your battles, right? So continuing here, we have a lot of different coins that have gone up this week. Phantom, that was something I was looking at as well, if I can find it on here. It's sitting next to EGLD, I believe, at rank 35, $2, and it was up 50% this week. So huge gains on Phantom. Imagine, guys, if you had bought Phantom at the beginning of this year, I mean, you're looking at January 1st, it was at a penny, guys, a penny. And now it's at $2. That's insane. That is a 20x. Crazy gains. I can't believe it, and it's something that, if you play your cards right, you'll be able to make these kind of growth, make this kind of profit. So regardless of that, let's get into the real meat and potatoes here. EGLD, $244 right now, trading sideways for the past couple of weeks. If we go to the 1 month moving, we had that high of around $300, went all the way down to 184, and then went back up, and now it's completely trading sideways. A lot of people are anticipating the release of the Mire exchange. Has not released yet. So right now it's sitting at 244. What I like to see here is sustaining its price. I wish it went back down to $77 like how it was 3 months ago, and I wanted to buy more, but obviously it's not, and that's a good thing. I win either way, but it's sitting at $244 right now. I'm gonna buy some more when the timing is right, when I have more funds to throw at it, but right now I'm just watching it. Now, some awesome news that's coming out. Lucian Mincu had put out the Elrond network codebase is about to significantly expand with a set of powerful components such as bridges, relayers, and tools. Perhaps the most important, a new gas schedule that lowers gas costs by 10x in some cases, resulting in higher throughput. So, as we all know, for those who do know, the staking, this battle of the yields has ended. They have, I believe, over 1,000 different bug fixes that they are working on, that people have found out that was wrong with the Mire exchange. So right now they're working on fixing all of those things that were brought up to the team, and it's going to take some time. If you have over 1,000 different bugs and things that need to be tweaked and fixed. That's not going to happen overnight or a span of a week. A lot of people are wanting the Mara exchange to come out in October, but feasibly, I don't see that happening unless they are, letting us know, hey, we are still working on a following update, but here the Mara exchange is released. I don't think that is the case. I think they want to release a fully polished product, and I'm fine with waiting. I have a lot of Mara MEX tokens that I want to claim and I want to farm, so I'm looking forward to this. A lot of people just care about the price. I don't care about the price as much as I care about the project, right? So we're going to read some of these here. The research and implementation of the gas schedule version 4 has been completed, and bug hunting for the WASM opcode gas schedule changes is ongoing, and several findings have already been implemented. More than 10x reduction in gas costs for some operations. So that's huge, guys. When you're cutting the gas fees by pretty much 9/10, if I'm doing my math right here, so 10 times the original fee. That is insane, guys. And you will be paying literally nothing for gas fees. I think they want to increase the amount of transactions people are able to make with one another, and that's why they're not afraid to reduce those gas fees, because they're going to get paid, thousandfold if more transactions are happening from one person to another, right? They want to make it easy. They don't want to be Ethereum where it costs $40 to send money to somebody in fees. It's insane. So the Ethereum bridge was enhanced to handle batches of transactions in a more efficient manner. Several deployments bridging public testnets are currently undergoing performance and consistency testing. Completed analytics implementation for the Mara Exchange service with AWS timestream integration for historical data, and several modules of the Mara Exchange service were refactored, and the number of queries for computing rewards have been reduced, resulting in enhanced performance. Other notable achievements here: finished the feature which implements a better gas used management in cross-shard mini blocks and a splitting mechanism for those which exceed a certain threshold of gas limit. Mara Launchpad audits. Start analyzing the implementation complexity of the new feature, which would do partial execution of cross-shard mini blocks in destination shard. Working on stablecoin smart contracts, that's important. Investigating gas cost changes between different gas schedules. Modified ESDT system smart contract. When a new token is issued, a transaction log will be generated with the information about the new token. Refactored the Elasticsearch indexer to work with the new events generated by the ESDT contract. So that's cool. So this is a big one, guys. Ledger ESDT transfers improvements. Added maximum gas per transaction metric. Continue working on indexing the consumed gas of a block in Elasticsearch. Possibility to show smart contract results for transactions list, and finished Ledger ESDT transactions from Ledger CLI. So I say it all the time, guys. A lot of people won't understand or care about any of these updates, but it's important that we understand that they're working on the product. Sorry, guys, my camera cut out. But they're working on the product. And this is, to me, showing updates real time of what is going on, what they're doing, right? So awesome stuff from Lucian and Mincu. Thank you for that. Now continuing on to the next two. Just basically some this week. If you have not been up to date this week in the EGLD Elrond world, they did privacy DeFi products via the ZK Panther. They have the interoperable dApps via composable finance. Stablecoins collateralized by EGLD via the Ardana project. First European car dealer to accept EGLD Auto World, and some amplified campaigns, as well as the weekly Elrond Tech. Pretty much what I talked to you guys in the previous kind of post. So some huge milestones, guys. 820,000 accounts, 8.8 million transactions, and 11.98 million EGLD staked. So that's huge. Huge amounts of EGLD staked. The Mara stake statistics is 1.8 million EGLD stakes. So I'm sorry. I believe that 11.98 is something else. I'm always getting confused with these numbers. And then 70,000 plus people are staked. So that is amazing. They're mentioned on Yahoo Finance, Bitcoin Manager, Cryptonaut, Crypto Global, and CoinSpeaker. So awesome shout outs there. I want to kind of talk to you guys about these two different, updates. One of them was the Auto World becoming the first European car dealer to accept EGLD payments. So let's take a read here. This came out about 2 to 3 days ago, and I want to share this with you guys. So Auto World has become the first European car dealer to accept EGLD and make a sale using EGLD. marking another important milestone for the integration of the internet scale economy into the automotive sector. The firm is an official dealer for major brands such as Audi, Volvo, and Volkswagen. Also part of the Auto World family is Das Welt Auto, the popular pre-owned marketplace. The firm also offers car rental services and the innovative Car Cloud platform that offers buyers a fully digital process from selection to purchase. All of its products and services can now be paid for in EGLD. More than 30 years of experience and $70 million US value yearly revenue, Auto World thus becomes a major adoption driver for the Elrond ecosystem. So this is huge, and I like the fact that there's car dealers out there, especially in Europe, that are trying to stay modern, trying to stay in the 21st century, being able to automate everything and actually accepting cryptocurrency as payment. So this is coming from both the CEOs of Elrond as well as Auto World, or the sales manager from Audi. EGLD was architected as a new form of money that combines blazing fast and inexpensive transactions with compelling utility and strong store of value properties. Important market players such as Auto World has already sold their first on many cars with EGLD, signaling that mainstream adoption of the internet scale economy is happening now. Auto World has maintained a rapid growth pace over the last 3 decades by embracing new market trends that have constantly elevated our customers' experience to new levels of excellence. This year, on our 30th anniversary, we are once again at the forefront of innovation by embracing blockchain technology and introducing EGLD as an efficient payment method. So, cool stuff, guys. I just love to see, especially in the car industry, right? Being around for a long time now, since the cars have been a thing, and now we're seeing it integrated with cryptocurrency and being able to take cryptocurrency payments. Now, to me, that shows the step in the right direction, and I'm looking forward to exactly how this develops in the future. Lastly, EGLD becomes one of the first cross-chain assets to collateralize stablecoins issued on Cardano via the Ardana stablecoin hubs. So now, EGLD is not directly talking to Cardano, right? I don't think it's a Cardano EGLD partnership. It's more so this Ardana stablecoin hub is kind of like a middleman between that kind of bridges both of them together. So it does show, though, that they're talking to each other. It may not be directly, but they're still connected in some way, right? So let's take a read here. We're excited to announce that we started a long-term collaboration with Ardana, the stablecoin hub on the Cardano blockchain. Ardana is building DeFi infrastructure for the Cardano blockchain that will enable the issuance of the crypto-backed DUSD stablecoin and decentralized trading on their DanaSwap DEX AMM platform. Our collaboration seeks to make EGLD one of the first non-native assets on Cardano that can be used as collateral for DUSD minting, and this will be made possible by moving EGLD tokens between the Elrond network and Cardano blockchains via a two-way bridge that will be developed by Ardana in collaboration with Elrond. In the long term, we're exploring the possibility of bridging other assets, such as the Cardano native ADA token or other tokens issued on the two blockchains, and this will allow their value to be leveraged in DeFi opportunities available on both networks. So, guys, I think bridging is important. It shouldn't be one coin against another. It should be coins, all kind of crypto coins or projects integrating with each other in a nice, seamless, clean way, right? And as we see with EGLD, they're not trying to be the number one coin out there. They want to be the coin that is mostly used, mostly adapted, but it's also the most easily to be integrated into other blockchains. To me, they're not trying to fight the competition. They want to join, right? So to me, this is huge. So it's like paying in euros or paying in dollars. If I can pay in Cardano, pay in EGLD, it doesn't matter. I have options, right? So the creative exploration of collateralizing a stablecoin on one chain with a native coin of another can be a good starting point for interoperability between two progressive global ecosystems that are anchored in performance and innovation. Just what I stated, guys. Two progressive global ecosystems that are anchored in performance innovation. They want to be integrated. They don't want to be combative against each other. It's never a good stance. And this is coming from the Ardana CEO and founder. EGLD is a scarce asset with a capped supply that is very in demand right now. This is coming from the Ardana CEO and founder, who is running its hub on the Cardano blockchain. So this is huge. We're excited to take on the challenge of making it available to the Ardana users and offer them more options to issue DUSD that is underpinned by strong assets that imply lower over collateralization. So this is Ryan Matovu. Looking forward to seeing how Ardana Stablecoin Hub bridges this gap between Elrond and Cardano blockchains, and see exactly how much it benefits. To me, that's probably the most important thing. Now, that concludes for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm glad to be back. I might be a little tired right now, but it's good to be able to make a video for you guys and get back into it. I want to be consistent. I don't want to fall off. And please, guys, like, comment, subscribe. I will be doing that $100 in EGLD giveaway once we hit that 1,000 subscriber mark. It will support the channel and make us better and bigger than before. So you're the only one that can control your financial future. Do not forget that. So catch you guys in my next video.